This is a recording Christopher Gomez generated using a standard AI voice US English reader. This recording is for the class on the history of science. Science and society in the 21st century. The 21st century has brought new challenges and opportunities for science and society. From climate change to the COVID-19 pandemic, the world faces a range of complex problems that require scientific knowledge and innovation to address. At the same time, emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, and nanotechnology are raising new ethical and social questions that require careful consideration and public engagement. One of the major scientific challenges of the 21st century is the search for sustainable energy sources. With the threat of climate change looming large, scientists and policymakers are working to develop clean energy technologies such as solar, wind, and nuclear power, as well as more efficient ways of using fossil fuels. The development of these technologies will require significant investment in research and development, as well as collaboration across disciplines and sectors. Another major challenge is the development of personalized medicine, which tailors medical treatments to an individual's genetic makeup and other factors. This approach has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, but it also raises ethical and social questions about access, privacy, and the potential for discrimination based on genetic information. The exploration of space is another area of scientific opportunity in the 21st century. With the rise of private space companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin, as well as ongoing efforts by NASA and other space agencies, the possibilities for space exploration and colonization are expanding rapidly. However, these efforts also raise questions about the environmental impact of space travel, the rights of indigenous peoples in space, and the potential for conflict and competition in the final frontier. The role of science in addressing global problems such as climate change, infectious diseases, and food security will be critical in the coming decades. These challenges require interdisciplinary collaboration and public engagement, as well as a willingness to confront the social and political dimensions of these issues. Scientists will need to work closely with policymakers, community leaders, and other stakeholders to develop effective solutions that are both scientifically sound and socially just. The social and ethical implications of emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, and nanotechnology are also a major concern in the 21st century. These technologies have the potential to transform every aspect of human life, from healthcare to education to employment. However, they also raise questions about privacy, equity, and human enhancement, as well as the potential for unintended consequences and existential risks. The changing nature of scientific research in the 21st century, including the growth of big data, citizen science, and open access publishing, is also reshaping the way that science is conducted and communicated. These trends have the potential to democratize science and make it more accessible to the public, but they also raise questions about the quality and reliability of scientific information, as well as the role of expertise in a post-truth era. Ultimately, the success of science in the 21st century will depend on our ability to navigate these complex challenges and opportunities, and to engage the public in meaningful ways. By working together across disciplines and sectors, and by embracing a commitment to social justice and ethical responsibility, we can harness the power of science to create a better future for all.